Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a poll on Discord. So without further ado, let's start. First, go to your web browser and then search for how to create a poll on Discord. And then, just scroll down and then choose this option. From there, you can see the step-by-step process on how you can create a poll on Discord. The first step is to open Discord. Next, select a server. Now, tap on the three dots next to the server's name. And then, tap Create Channel. Next, name the channel. You have to use a name related to the poll's topic. After that, tap on Create. Next, customize the channel's permission. And then, go back to the channel and enter the poll's text along with voting instructions. And then, lastly, inform people about the poll and then ask them to vote. That's it! Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.